Transferring money from TD to CIBC is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from your TD to your CIBC account, you'll need to open the td.com website. The website will guide you through the process of transferring money between accounts. Scroll down to see the steps for money transfer, then tap to Access Send Money Now. Follow the prompts and open a TD app. From the options listed at the top, select Send Money. Within the Send Money screen, select the Globally tab. Now select the Get Started button. If you agree to the terms, select the checkbox to agree to the use and privacy terms. To begin, select the Send Money Now, then Get an Estimate. Select the country where your recipient will receive the funds, and now enter the amount you wish to send in the Send Amount field to view your available options. Select Get Estimate. Select the country where your recipient will receive the funds. Now, enter the amount you wish to send in the Send Amount field to view your available options, and select Get Estimate. You can then select any option and then confirm the transfer method. After that, select the best transfer method that suits your needs. When satisfied, select the Continue button. On the Fraud Awareness screen, review the warning and tap Continue. Now you need to enter the transfer details, including your account details and the recipient's account details. If you scroll down, you'll see that you can also add a new recipient by using the Add button to add the recipient's bank account or Visa card. Enter the relevant information. You should receive a confirmation that your new recipient has been added. For some countries, you may be asked to select the purpose of the money transfer. Now select the Continue button and then proceed to the sixth step. Here you can review and confirm the transfer to ensure that everything is correct. Review your transfer details, then complete the transfer by selecting Send Money. You should receive a message confirming that your transfer has been processed.